Hey everybody, Vade here, and last year, I think the most successful video on my channel thus far was going over a brand new feature in iOS 18 called Math Notes. And over time, it has improved significantly, but even back then, 1 year ago when it just came out and it was in developer beta, which is, developer betas are known to be pretty unstable at first. Math Notes seem to be pretty fine. And so this year with iOS 26, I know they jumped 8 versions. Well, it's because of 2026. They made an update to Math Notes, and it is that you can graph three-dimensional equations or equations with three variables. So I'm going to test it out here for the first time. I've not tried this yet, so I'm going to try it right now. So last time we did a calculus problem. Let's do something like a linear algebra problem. So let's say that I have some two-dimensional vector. Let's say that I have some two-dimensional vector x, y. And I want to convert this two-dimensional vector into a three-dimensional vector through a linear transformation. Or let me call it x1 and y1, okay? So let's say that our transformation here, t of and then xy, is something like this, like a 3x2 matrix. So let's say that it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times this xy. Okay, so if I then do t of, x1, y1 here, it should just be the exact same thing. It should just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times x1, y1. And so now what I want to do is I want to actually do this matrix vector multiplication. So we'll get x1 times 1, 3, 5 plus y1 times 2, 4, 6. And now we'll get one vector, which is x1 plus 2y1, 3x1 plus 4y1, 5x1 plus 6y1. And so now we can rewrite this. This entry right here is the z entry, right? This is, we added an extra dimension here, so I can write the equation z, oops, wrong thing, z equals to 5x plus 6y. And let's see if we can graph it right here. It says insert 3D graph. And this is what it looks like. This is just a plane in 3 space, right? This is just an equation which is in the form of a plane. And so this is incredibly useful when trying to visualize linear transformations when studying linear algebra. And of course, if you're doing any real world problems, this is also very useful, because just adding an extra layer of dimensionality, you see something in 2 space, you can now try to express it in 3 space and see if it gives you more information about whatever you're doing. It's also very good for any kind of multivariable calculus problems. It's also a good tool for that. But I didn't show it in this video. But yeah, I think it's a really cool addition. But there seems to be nothing else. But great.